Alright, and for the second one I'm doing on this Sunday, it's the Shiny Dragapult VMAX for the Shining Fates. And so far, out of all the ones I have done unboxings for, I have to say the Shining Fates and the Hidden Fates are the best ones I liked so far. And of course, this is the one Pokemon I think that throws its babies out. It's a crazy Pokemon, but as you can see off bat, we got two great cards in the front. Then we got, what is it, 8 packs to go ahead through? Is it 6 or 8? I think it's 6. Let's find out. Of course, I want to get the other one. And I couldn't get a nice price for it right now. It's a nice little deck here. It's a more expensive V-Box because of it, but I'm liking it. So we can get the coin. I like how it glistens. Reminds me of Pogs. Yeah, this kind of almost could be a Pog type slammer. Put this with the other coins I got here. And I'm going to keep this in here because they're all straight. I really like how they put like a little suction right there. That way it don't get a warp or anything like, oh man, them other packs I hate. But it's nice designs. I like that. You got the V and then you got the VMAX card. Awesome designs. I'm really liking them. Alright, put this out. And yeah, there are 8 packs. Oh man. Great, great, great. Oh, actually, I'm wrong, ain't I? 4, 5, 6, 7. I am wrong. There's only 7 packs. Would have been nice, you know. It kind of messes with my OCD. They could have put an extra pack in there. Oh man, got a nice straight card though to put with the big cards collection I got. I really like that out of the V boxes. They got a big card with them. Put this up here with the other one. Let's get started with these Shining Fates. I do like the designs they got for them. Alright. Drop pinch. Rowlet. And here's the reverse. I already got this one. But off bat, oh man, I wanted this and I got it too. Morpeko VMAX. We got a big boy right here. So yes, yes, yes. The first pack I got out happened to be a nice one. Oh, definitely looked like a great day today. Got a VMAX, not the regular V card, but a VMAX. I like the design, the look. Great pull for me. I'm gonna put this up here instead of downwards because I got one of the kitties right next to me. Let's go ahead and excuse all the stuff on the floor. Yeah. Glad I moved all that out of the way. Let's see if I can get the other one to come. There we go. That's Patches. The female Calicchio. That's cute how that look like. I gotta lift this little thing up. And I got a sock in the corner because they like to run around with things they find. Oh lordy. And they are not good kitties at all. But they're not bad kitties either. So Right now they're curious, and it's about to be that time to feed them. I assume it's getting to that time anyway, because the Caligio usually stays upstairs patches, and she only comes down when it's time to eat. It's up, and here we go. Oh, I already see the shininess. I don't know how I feel about that horsey right here. That's kind of derpy-ish. What we got? Oh, look at that. Grim Snarl for Avi. I like the design. That's a real nice looking. So far, out of everything I've done, you know, I think I've only had one rainbow. I've gotten some V's, and I got like a handful of V Maxes, so I could definitely go with some more rainbows and some shinies. No, I'm not gonna put that there because I'm afraid the kitty's gonna come and step all over it. So far, I've been having a lot better hits out of the shiny than the hidden fates. But I haven't even gotten to the elite trainer boxes yet either. So derpy looking. Got to be reverse right there. This is a basic. I would love to get the VMAX of this right here. I think it's the VMAX or it's just a regular V. I think they got both. There's both. Is it even in the shiny? I don't know. I gotta look that up before I have to say something. Okay, so that was just a so-so hit right there. Look like I got the two best ones already out the way. Something new I haven't seen. Here we go. Nice little hollow. Is it a hat rim? That's nice looking. I like that. So that was a decent pull. This has got to be one of the worst designs to be approved. I don't know how it got approved. Who even thought this even looked good? Here we go. Another evolved version. Hatterene. And here's a bad boy right here. A nice little hollow wheezing Galarian. I really like this skin. It looks so much better than to the different type of color version or variation you want to say. Yeah, that's a nice pull right there. Two more packs to go. Eevee. I like how they designed this one. I'm glad I did not have my cards down there because Patches done stepped all over that spot. And here's the reverse hollow Rowlet. Another V card. Indeedee V. Do I even... No, I don't have this one, I don't think. So I have to say, that box has some nice stuff in it. Let's see what the last pack has in store. Right, the last. That's a crazy look right there. Nah, look at that. It's the hollow Galarian Berserker. That's something I haven't seen yet. And this is just going to be a decent pull right there. So I had to say, out that whole box, it's a pretty great pull. It's pretty great. I'm pretty happy about it. I have to say, out of everything I've unboxed, this is probably the best V Max or V box I've ever unboxed. That's probably why it says premium collection, right? But I've had a premium before and it wasn't really all that. So I have to say that was the best one. What do you think? Hopefully you agree with me. Great pull for a great day. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did. So hit some comments up, some likes, and please subscribe. Enjoy.